Alright, so we're going to change oil for this 2011 Toyota Sienna. So first we're gonna remove the dipstick, loosen the oil cap here, and also we're gonna need a 0W20, right? It says even here, so it should not be hard for you to find what kind of oil that you need. At the bottom, uh, here's your oil filter, right? And here's your drain plug. Gonna need a 14 millimeter for the drain plug bolt, right? Remove the oil filter. You're gonna need this kind of tool, right? Maybe you may be able to use other tool, but this is what I use. It's more durable and solid. There's also plastic ones, but not really sure how would that perform. But this is so far, this is would be great for me. So you just loosen a little bit slowly, and there's more oil coming out. Alright, so obviously this is the old filter, and I bought a original filter from Toyota, and you need the part number. It's over here. So that's the part number, and this is the aftermarket one, I believe. So yeah. Okay, so now I removed the old oil filter. So now we're gonna put the new one. It doesn't matter which side it is. Just slip it in like so, right? And this oil filter comes with oil seal, O-ring. You have the big one, which is in this side. The small one is on the bottom. For me, I only replace the bottom if I remove it, because the way this bottom here, this bottom here, that's where the oil ring for. But because I didn't remove this bottom piece, I don't need to put that oil ring, O-ring. So I just replaced the big one. And also this part is when you remove the bottom nut here. This is a big nut, and you kind of slip this in to drain the oil. But the way I did it, just remove it and let the oil drain. So I didn't really use this, and that's pretty much it for this. So you get the big O-ring, replace the old one, and put it back to the car. Okay, so now we can put the oil filter back. Make sure it's clean, like so. So you're gonna need the tool to tighten this up. Alright, where's the tool? Turn it. Just turn it until it stops, and that should be it. That's it. Once it stops, that's it. Okay, now let's fill up the oil. I'm gonna need a funnel here. Like so, and Let's pour the oil. So this vehicle is a little bit thirsty with oil. It needs a lot of oil. At least 6.1 liters. So be prepared for that. You pull the after you pour the oil, you check the dipstick. Not sure if you can see it, but should be somewhere on the full side. So at this point, we're gonna have to start the vehicle to cycle the oil. You start the car for a little bit to cycle the oil, and that's it. Now recheck the dipstick. Yeah, we're in somewhere in the middle or a little bit more. So you can add more oil to it for sure. Alright, so this is it. Perfect gauge. So yeah, that's it. This is done. Put the cap back and life is good. Thank you for watching.